Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to export an email list from Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my username and password here. Once you're inside your Mailchimp account, just click on All Contacts below Audience. Scroll down a little bit and click on this Export Audience option. As you can see, you're about to export all contacts from the audience called Vanilla. Click on Confirm Export button. Export started. They will email me at my email address. This is the email message I received from Mailchimp when the email list export is completed. To download my email list, just click on this Download List Data button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And this is the email list downloaded to my computer. It's in a zip format. I will double click it to decompress it. And as you can see, my email list is organized into 3 files: the cleaned email, the subscribed emails, and also the unsubscribed emails. Let's open the subscribed emails list. And this is all the details. It has the email address, the first name, last name, phone. This is a group, I think, or a tag. And also the opt-in time, the confirm time, the location, time zones, and also some notes and tags. And this is how to export an email list from Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.